僕、俺、私、だろでしょ You all know these words, but some sound feminine and some sound masculine. I'm going to teach you what's what, and let's go.
Kind of sounds like watashi, but a little more formal.
So if you are at a workplace, you should use 僕 instead of 俺. Watashi and 私 they are different.
最初はBettinaです。
I love it! Oh my gosh.
KON'CHA! Welcome back. We have another video for everybody.
Hey guys. Okay, so Bettina, have you watched anything recently?
I've been revisiting some of the old classic Sailor Moon.
Anime? Okay.
Yeah, because I've never actually watched them in Japanese. I've only watched it in English. I noticed that in the Japanese version, Sailor Jupiter, and you know how she's a bit tomboyish and really cool. Yeah, I noticed she says boku a lot when she's talking about herself.
Instead of watashi?
So I was thinking of like, what other examples are there instead of boku or watashi?
I think it's interesting for us to explore today.
Yeah. I can't wait.
Let's go. Okay, so I want to start with personal pronouns. And instead of like me explaining to you guys one by one, I thought, why don't we make Bettina do it for us?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And hopefully you guys will understand like how it sounds.
I'm excited to see the differences. Yeah.
Okay. So for the first one, neutral. Can you say I am Bettina in Japanese?
Yes. So it'd be watashi wa Bettina desu.
Yes. This sounds very neutral, and I guess everyone learning Japanese knows watashi wa Bettina desu because it's pretty basic, right?
Yes.
So can you read out the next one, please?
The next one is watashi wa Bettina desu.
See, can you hear that? Can you see that it sounds more like formal?
Yeah. Kind of sounds like watashi, but a little more formal. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so let's go to the next one.
自分はBettina desu. I don't hear this one a lot.
Sounds a bit geeky, you know? Many otaku, I hear many otaku using 自分は.
I see.
So if you are otaku watching this at home, maybe you could try out 自分は. It's not bad, you know? It's not bad or anything. It's just the way it sounds. Okay, so I think that's it for the neutral. And let's move on to the masculine. Okay, can you go the first one?
The first one is 俺はBettina desu.
That's cute. That's too cute. You know? もっとmasculine.
Like 俺はBettina desu. How's that?
Yeah, that's
I feel
better.
masculine. Yeah. Yeah, the next one is 僕はBettina desu.
僕はBettinaです. 僕 sounds more younger.
Yeah.
It's more rough.
I feel that too. I feel like it's more rough. So boku is like maybe young boys might use this one.
And formal. So if you are at a workplace, you should use 僕 instead of 俺.
Oh, okay.
So, but if you come back to home, then you could say 俺. Many young boys, like 2 years old or 3, uses 僕.
Okay.
And if you grow up to like junior high, boys start using 俺.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
nice.
just to sound cool. So
I see that.
So that's it for the masculine. And what about feminine?
The feminine was 私はBettina desu.
Do you use 私は?
Honestly, I always just use watashi.
It's really like tiny difference, but 私 and 私 they are different.
Can I hear you say it? Maybe I can hear a difference too when you say it back to me. Yeah.
Okay. So 私は and 私は, right?
Yes.
Okay. 私は清水キサです. That's 私は.
Yeah.
The next one is 私は清水キサです。
Okay, you did such a good job, Kisa, with the atashi and watashi.
Okay.
I need to hear your ore and your boku.
Ore? Okay. Ore and boku, right?
Yeah.
Okay. 俺は清水キサです。That's 俺。Okay? And for 僕は清水キサです。
Oh, so good.
Sounds younger,
so
right?
Good. Yeah. How good was that?
Oh my gosh. Okay, next. Irregular. Can you do the first one of irregular?
Yep. So the first one is washi wa Bettina desu.
That's such a cute. Oh man. Oh my gosh.
Washi wa washi.
No, that's better. Okay.
Yeah.
What about the next one?
The next one
I love
is
this one.
I don't really understand this one, but seisho wa Bettina desu.
Yes. Sesha wa more like Sesha is from like samurai ages.
I feel like a samurai.
Yeah, I want you to like sound more samurai-ish.
Seisho wa Bettina desu.
I love it. Oh my gosh. So this is super irregular, you know? So don't use it unless you're being funny.
Okay.
Don't use it in daily conversations. And last one?
Atai wa Bettina desu. Feels a bit like weird to say because of the T, like a kind of
Atai?
yeah, kind of not smooth. It doesn't feel so smooth to say.
Atai is a very old word for watashi.
Oh.
Atashi. Sorry, guys.
Atashi.
Atai is like more rough and old way, but it's feminine. Sesha, washi, and atai. That's me in fiction.
Oh, I see. I would love to see you
What?
do your washi
No,
and
I
seisha.
can't hear you. My God. washiは清水キサです。シャキン。拙者は清水キサです。
My arm. She cut it off.
Oh my gosh, we're having too much fun. Okay, last one. あたいは清水キサです。
I can see why it sounds feminine. You do it so much better. I can feel and hear it now.
Okay, that was it for our personal pronouns.
Pronouns? Yes.
And I think we should move on to the next sentence ending particles.
Okay, so the first neutral one, I would say 彼女がキスです。
彼女がベティナです。
Or 彼女がキスですね。ですね。
彼女がベティナですね。
Yeah, neutral. And then, yeah, the two for the neutral.
Okay. And the masculine one.
彼女がキスだ。
Yeah, sound masculine.
It does sound really masculine.
彼女がベティナだ。
Yeah.
彼女がベティナだ。
Or 彼女がキスだよ。
彼女がキサだよじゃなくて、I mean ベティナだよ。
Yep. Then the third one is 彼女がキスだね。
彼女がベティナだね。
It does sound more masculine. And 彼女がキスだろ。
彼女がベティナだろ。This sounds really masculine. Okay.
Yeah, it sounds different from like the neutral already. Yeah.
Okay. Next one. Feminine.
Feminine. 彼女がキスよ。
Yeah, that is feminine.
It sounds so different from the masculine. That's true. No, it does.
Okay. 彼女がベティナよ。
彼女がキスね。
かわいいな。彼女がベティナね。
And then the last one. 彼女がキスでしょ。でしょ。
Okay. 彼女がベティナでしょ。でしょ。でしょ。
Yeah, it sounds different from like だろ。Right?
Hopefully, yeah, you guys at home would like recognize the difference between these. I want you to remember that these pronouns and particles we explained was like to sound feminine or masculine. it doesn't like, there's no rule that if you are male, you have to use the masculine, and if you're female, you have to use the feminine words. There's no rule. So use whatever suits you.
Yeah.
Like, for example, it's really funny. So my great-grandmother used ore as
personal pronoun.
Yes. So I think it's really funny, but she didn't like, she was so natural about it. So like you can use literally like anything you want. So you can say boku. And I have a friend, she's a girl, but she uses boku. She says boku all the time. So
yeah, like Sailor Jupiter too makes so much sense. So like choose the one that you feel most comfortable with and like just own it.
Okay, so now you know some differences between feminine, masculine, and sentence genders, many pronouns.
Yeah, and there's so many more examples and explanations that we didn't have time to cover today, but Kisa did an amazing job.
You too, Bettina.
And yeah, I guess let us know if there are any other ones that you know.
Let us know your favorite pronouns like sessha, jibun, ore, and stuff.
Yes.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye guys. See you.
If you found this video useful and want to learn more Japanese with us, please subscribe to KON'CHA.
We have more information in store and we can't wait to share it all with you. Until next time, see you later. Bye-bye.
Bye. 頑張ってね。